everyone and welcome back. So today's look, we're going to do more of a winter inspired theme. This is for those who don't really want the traditional Christmas colors of green and red. So let's get into it. So first I went in with a base coat and cured it, and then a second layer of base coat and didn't cure it. And now I'm going in with these duochrome nail art flakes, and I'm just pressing those in with a nail art brush, making sure I keep them closer to the edge of the nail. After that, I did cure my nails in the nail lamp, and now I'm going in with another layer of base coat just to seal in the flakes and prepare my nail for the next step. And now I'm going in with this Macarte brand gel polish, and it is translucent. I'm using the darker blue and the lighter blue. And you'll see that I'm going to create an ombre effect, starting with the darkest blue first, feathering that up into the lightest blue in the center, and you'll see me kind of blend those two together. I did end up going in with 3 layers of the jelly polish just to get the opacity I wanted. So now I'm going to add some snowflakes to a few of the nails. I just start out by using a dotting tool and some white gel polish and making the shape of the snowflake. And then I'll go in with a nail art brush and drag my brush through those dots to create the snowflake. So now that I'm done with the snowflake shape, I'm not going to cure it or anything. I'm just going to sprinkle some white glitter on top. Make sure to tap off the excess and then cure. Now that it's all cured, I'm just going to use a brush to wipe off the extra glitter, and it is finished. I love how these turned out. They are so magical and sparkly and perfect for winter. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. And on that last layer of jelly polish,